Hi, and welcome to Mission Capital. I'm Katie Story, our Senior Manager for Community Engagement and Learning. I'm excited to join you today and share a little bit about the membership program and what you can expect in the year to come. Our current member term is ending, and the new member term will run from August 1st through July 31st, regardless of when you join. So join early so you can get the full benefit of that membership. Our membership program is designed to ensure that there's access to our services to the entire sector of nonprofit organizations. We want to create space for mission-aligned orgs to come together and to collaborate and convene around the issues that are facing all of us. So we just are here to serve as a community resource on whatever is happening with the industry at the time. Here's a little overview of some of the benefits that you'll have this year as part of your membership program. You'll have unlimited registrations as long as space allows for Collaboration Corners, which is one of the types of membership events we'll be having. This year's Collaboration Corners are going to lean into the work that was done with the Central Texas Capacity Survey and the themes and discussions that were had following that data being released. So we'll hold 5 Collaboration Corners this year, which is a time for organizations from all across the Central Texas nonprofit sector to come together and talk about these themes. So there'll be talent and people, funding and resourcing as a nonprofit community, purposeful collaborations, and then we'll do some on justice, equity, diversity, and inclusion, and one on managing the growth of your organization in whichever way that growth is occurring. So we're really excited about those. All of these will be in person, so it's a great time to get together. We'll also be offering 5 professional development opportunities that will be virtual. For these nonprofit in focus offerings, we're bringing in some community experts and partners who are experts in these areas. These specific topics were chosen based on what our members told us they wanted most when they were filling out the member survey for fiscal year 2024. So we're trying to lean into that. So we'll have one around volunteer recruitment and management, one around creative fundraising as a nonprofit, one around creative marketing, and then one around artificial intelligence and using it in your workplace. And lastly, we'll have a nonprofit in focus for the smaller nonprofits where you maybe have a team of 1 to 3, but you have a small team and are making big impact, and how we can support one another in that. So that's the second type of event that is included in your membership. This also has unlimited registrations. Next, we're going to have 3 offerings this year that are designed to help just make connections and find ways to be creative with one another. The first is our kickoff social hour that we did last year. It was very popular, so we're bringing that back at the end of August this year. We'll also be hosting a CEO luncheon early in 2025. That is a time for CEOs and EDs to come together and talk about sort of the state of our sector and how we can support one another. And then we'll do another one that's a mixer for early and mid-career professionals so we can have some time to talk and think about where we might want to go. As you're going through the membership process, your member contact for your organization will have the opportunity to select professional development journeys. These are essentially packaged versions of our workshops that are designed around a particular theme, and you receive an additional 10% discount on these than what you would pay if staff just registered for them through our website using their regular member discount. So it's an additional discount if you buy them in these bundles. They have between 10 and 15 registrations depending on which journey you choose. So the main themes for this year will be teams and management. There will also be one around strategy and action. And then there will be one on personal leadership development. So this one is designed for you to send maybe your new leaders or people who are looking to become leaders to these classes. And then one around leadership transitions and some of that succession planning oriented stuff. So these will be very exciting this year. We also will be offering as Mission Capital our traditional workshops, and so I wanted to talk a little bit about how that works for members. So at this point, members will no longer need a special code in order to unlock their member discount for our trainings. When you're in the member portal, you'll be logged in and it will know that you're a member, so you won't have to worry about that as long as the member contact at the organization has entered in their staff and board members into their account. So this year, some of the exciting things happening in our training program is we're breaking out to some new types of training to be able to offer a variety of sizes, shapes, and price points for our members and for the greater community. So we'll continue to have the workshops that you're used to with little tweaks here and there, but we'll have at least one in-person workshop every month. And every training that we offer will have at least one in-person version of it. And then we'll have our virtual training offerings that allow that flexibility for folks that need to be able to hop on and hop off. A new training that we'll be introducing this year is called Flex Trainings. This is sort of the best of both worlds. They are asynchronous trainings that have a start and an end where you come together. So you'll have an entry, like 30-minute call to talk about the topic and to introduce the curriculum and how to access it. And then at the end, you'll have time to process. So those are the new ways that you'll interact with that. And then the member portal. So in the past, you've had to log into several places. Now, almost everything will be in one place. Through the member portal, you can register events and workshops, post your jobs or volunteer positions, search our member directory for people you might want to collaborate with or connect with. You can still access your free resources there, submit your organizational events to the nonprofit community calendar, and manage your membership directly in that portal. So it's very exciting for us. So that's a recap of our membership program for 2024 and 2025. I really look forward to seeing you at some of our events and meeting you. Feel free to go and ask your member contact if you've already renewed, or if you're new to this organization. We're excited to have you join. Thanks.